Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up two-factor authentication on Gemini. Now there are two methods. The first is online setup. How you want to do that is to first access your Gemini account online, and then once you're logged into your account, you just want to click on account or setting and then select security or two-factor authentication. Now you want to choose the two-factor authentication method you want to use, such as authenticator app. That could be Google Authenticator or Audi. You could also use SMS or text message, and you can use a physical security key. That could be a UV key, and then just follow the instructions to set up the chosen two-factor authentication method. Now for mobile app setup, which is the second method, all you want to do is to access the Gemini app on your mobile device, and then just tap account or settings and then select security or two-factor authentication. Now you want to choose the method for the two-factor authentication, and then you want to follow the instructions to set up the chosen method. Now for authenticator app setup, what you're going to need to do is to download an authenticator app. That could be Google Authenticator, or you could use Audi on your mobile device. And then what you're going to do is to scan the QR code provided by Gemini to link the authenticator app to your account, and then just enter the verification code that's generated by the authenticator app to of course complete the setup. For SMS or text message setup, you're gonna need to enter your phone number to receive SMS or text message two-factor authentication codes, and then just verify your phone number by entering the verification code that's sent by Gemini to your phone number. Yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up two-factor authentication on Gemini. Hope you guys liked the video. If you found it useful enough, if you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.